Hey there, Amy Hedgehog here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I hope you've been enjoying this animal series that I have been doing, and I'm going to continue that until I run out of animals that I want to make. Who knows? Because I like drawing animals. I hope you've been enjoying it too. It's definitely something that I don't do a ton of, and so this is good for me and you, and we kind of learning how to do different ones together. This week I thought I'd show you how to draw some cute little hedgehogs. Somebody on my Facebook channel suggested that, which I thought was a great idea. So all you need is to grab some paper and a pencil. If you want some coloring supplies, you can grab that too, but really a pencil is all you need. So grab all of that and come join me at my art table. And if you end up liking this video, please tune in for more and give me a like and subscribe. That really helps my channel out a lot. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're just gonna start right in. I would try to make him or her hedgehog a little bit bigger just so you can see what I'm doing, but typically I make them really small because hedgehogs are usually kind of a small creature. So, but for teaching purposes, I'm going to draw it a little bigger. Okay, so I'm going to draw like a side view of the porcupine or hedgehog first so that you can see its little shape. It's cute. Okay, so I'm going to draw almost like a bean shape. So we're going to start at the top of the head and come around like this and stop, and then curve it up and connect it. Scoop it down just slightly and that. Okay, so that's basically the shape of the body. Then they have a little ear here. And then you can do the eye however you want. I'm going to just do a little dot. And then a little dot for the nose, like that. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and just do arm, like that. This is a super easy character. Very easy to draw. And then you just do the little feet, little oval, and then a little oval. And there you have it. Now here's the fun part. Now you get to add all the spikes. Now, hedgehog, if you want to lightly, very lightly draw a line that keeps this part of his body, what are those called? What are the spiky things called? Oh my goodness. I have no idea the words. Anyway, this part of the body does not have those. So we're going to just put a line very gently around so that I know not to put spikes there. That's like a visual thing for me. Okay, now we can go crazy. Spike, 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 spike. All the way around. Little spikes. Do it in a couple of different rows. Do it random. All the way around. The spikier the better. There we go. Spike, spike. Super easy. How fun. And then you can go crazy with these little hedgehogs. You can draw them. Maybe we should draw one dancing. I said I was going to draw this big, and I really did not. I'm sorry. Hopefully you got to see that. Okay, I'm going to draw one dancing. I'm going to do the same shape, but this time this arm's going to go up, and this arm's going to go down, and she's going to be on her tiptoes. Okay, I'm going to put a little tutu on this one. Why not? Because it's a dancing, so I'm going to put a little line across this, across that. I went kind of quick with those arms. I went up and down and up and down. Sorry about that. Sometimes when I get excited about a new character, I do it quickly and forget that I'm teaching you. Okay, straight line down and just curve it down like that. You can erase these lines if you want. And then just straight line to show that That's a bunch of material. And then you have a dancing hedgehog. I'm going to draw that line. It shows me where the porcupine, I think it's quills. Is it quills? I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to draw all the spikes. How fun. Cute. You could really go crazy with little porcupine or hedgehog. Are they the same? Are hedgehogs and porcupines the same or just called different? I'll have to look that up. I'll leave that to my son to look up. He likes to look up things. Give her a little blush. All right, let's draw her little dance floor. All right, now I'm going to show you how I would draw if it was a front-facing character. You can go curve up like this. I'm going to stop and put the little bump for the ears. Curve around. Got a little bump for the ears. And curve down. You know what? I'm going to start over. I want to draw that a little bit bigger for you. Okay. Curve up. Bump up for the ears. Cross. Bump up for the ears. Down. Okay. Let's add little feet. Over, up, over, and up. Okay. Let's make this one holding something. Arm. So curve up and around, simple arm. Same thing. Curve up and around. Same thing. Now I'm going to draw the little line here. Scoop it down and scoop it down. Connect it to the arm like that. Okay, now, because it's forward facing, you're not going to see that scoop out. So you're just going to put the little dot here and then dots for the eyes. Okay, if you want to add a little mouth, you can. Okay, now you can add all the spikes all the way around. Super fun. Go crazy. Doing the little spikes are fun. Really spiky all the way around. It's very relaxing doing anytime you're drawing repetitive movements like that, it's very relaxing. Okay, I'm going to color in her little arms. I'm going to color the outside a little darker and leave the inside. I'm going to give her some blush. Blush. Do that over here too. All right, there you go. Let's see, what is she going to have? How about she is going to give a little love note. Little heart love note. There you go. And there you have the hedgehog. I hope you also end up filling up a whole page of different little hedgehog characters doing all kinds of things. It would be cute if I did a little coffee drinking hedgehog, because you know I love coffee, so that would be fun. Okay, I hope you join me next time on another animal video. I'm not exactly sure what that one's going to be, but it's going to be great, whatever it is. And I hope you've been having fun drawing all the different animals and that you're maybe starting to come up with your own stories. That would be so fun. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye now.